Welcome back. It's Chili Davis, and I'm back doing another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about crypto from time to time and other assets and other appreciating business ventures. So if you're new, please click that subscribe button, like, share, and keep watching. All right, so we have this evening, Salesforce did report earnings. Here's the CEO, Mark Benioff. Stocks jump as it raises profit forecast, and company will be more measured in hiring. So it looks like they gave good guidance moving forward. So that's the ticker symbol CRM. Rose after hours. The market was down slightly a little bit today. So that is good news to see. Let's see, CRM after hours. Maybe that will be the catalyst. So here it is, Salesforce after hours jumped a little over 5%. So that's ticker symbol CRM. After hours was up today on the news. A good forecast by him to see Mark Benioff in the team. Okay, so today the portfolio was down slightly. As you can see, it was down 0.5%, 0.52%. So we did have some good moves today. As you can see, it dropped early in the day, and then it did come up, and then it kind of whittled off, flatlined. But overall, we had a good day in the market. We did have Amazon also tick up today, 5%. The stock will be splitting on Friday. So June 3rd, the stock will be splitting. So if you have one share, $2,000, it'll be split 20 ways. So it'll be $100 per share on Friday. So that's good news. Amazon is splitting the stock. So that's why you see the pop there. There's positive news for Amazon. Also, Shopify, ticker symbol SHOP, was up 2.43%. Coinbase, the Bitcoin exchange, was up 3.89%. Now, because the stock market was closed this weekend, a lot of people took advantage of buying cryptocurrency. More people found out about crypto, so crypto rallied just a little bit. Coinbase holding some of the major coins such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Airbnb was up slightly, 1.58%. CRM, as I mentioned, they were up 5% after hours. Tesla was flat today at 0.01%. Lucid Motor Group was up 2.27%. Now, this is the other EV maker. They were up. They're still fairly new. They were up today 3.56% on the day. So that's Lucid Group. And let's see. Investors wonder if the U.S. is in recession territory. So we do know that Biden's going to be working on inflation, and Federal Jerome Powell, he's trying to raise interest rates to bring down inflation. So people are working on it. The good news is that inflation reports around June 10th this month. So in about 2 weeks, they will report their interest rate, the inflation rate. If it comes down from 8.3 to like 7.9, that will give the Federal Reserve some confidence to slow down as he raises interest rates. Okay, so right now they're raising interest rates to slow down the average consumer from buying. Okay, because 70% of the U.S. economy is made up of consumers buying stuff. That's how our economy runs. In order to slow them down, buying homes, buying cars, buying goods, he's raising interest rates. So that's the Federal Reserve right now, raising interest rates and trying to slow down the economy and get the right amount of employment in place. Okay, because right now we've got like, I think 3 or 4 jobs open for every person, and that needs to come down to like lower to like 2 jobs for every person, something like that. So that's what the Federal Reserve job is to do. He raises rates, he does different things to kind of correct the market. See, Meta platforms to trade under the new ticker symbol Meta ticker from June 9th. So Facebook will not trade as FB anymore. It will trade as Meta, okay? This is very similar to what Google did a few years ago when Google is under its own parent company, Alphabet, except that looks like Facebook is actually going to change its ticker too. So that's cool. Meta platform, which includes Instagram, which includes WhatsApp and Facebook. So Meta will become the new ticker on June 9th. So that's next week. Yep, next Wednesday. Okay, so that's good news. Also good news, F-150 Lightning electric pickup lose about half of its range when towing. Okay, that's not good for F-150. But we do know that the F-150 trucks are going out. So that is good news for getting that new product into customer service hands, okay? So they just started producing more of them last month. And so now those trucks are starting to get into customers' hands. So that's good news. All right. Could Tesla bring Apple AirPlay to its cars? Here's what Elon Musk said. So that's good news if they can get that collaboration between Tesla and Apple. Of course, Apple undercover is working on its own car ideas. Who knows what will happen soon. All right, so that is the news. Now let me cover the portfolio. As you can see, we're down slightly, 0.84%, a little bit more than the Robinhood. So we're down a little over $300. The top return today was Ford Motor Company up 0.73%, made a little over $13. Second place was Lucid Group up 2.27%, $13. And third place was Grayscale Bitcoin Trust was up 8.33%. Again, that's flying in the weekend. A lot of people bought Bitcoin over the holiday thinking, you know, hey, they're going to get this high return. I got news for you. Bitcoin may crash again. So just be wary. The fun is not over. All right. So Bitcoin rallied this weekend. Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, they all rallied this weekend. I do own Bitcoin, Litecoin, and some Ethereum. So, but anyway, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust rallied 8.33%. Also, we saw Nike was up 2.46% today, a little over $6. So yeah, today was not so great day. I think part of the day I did see Tesla come up a little bit, but for the most part, yeah, see here it is. Tesla was up a little bit earlier, but as you can see, they were only up today 0.01%. Earlier, they were up like 0.5%, but also there was a lot of stocks up a little bit. JP Morgan was up 0.75%. Now, I mentioned them a few weeks ago because they have fallen quite a bit, but they do look like that maybe making a comeback, okay? So JP Morgan was up slightly today too, as well as Tesla. So that was the news. Let's see, what was the top gainer? A lot of people did options on Apple today. I didn't. Let's see. This is a fun penny stock, GSAT. GBTC, of course, as I mentioned. MOS, the Mosaic. This is a fertilizer company, so they were up slightly today. As the war drags on in Ukraine, Mosaic, fertilizer company, global supply is strained, so Mosaic was up slightly. Also, AUY or Yamana Gold was up today, slightly today as well. They were up 0.44%. Okay, as uncertainty, people go to gold. Also, another good company, Qualcomm, was up today 2.48%. So that was the news. Those were the top stocks of the day. Again, if you'd like to get some free stock from me, please use my link below. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. And if you'd like to get some free stock, please use my Robinhood or my Webull link below, and have a good evening. See you next time.